What's up, too? What up? What it do? What it do? What it do? What it do? Okay, we at a new spot that we hitting up, and we see some activity out here in this water right here. I got one bite so far, and we just got here. We've been out here probably about about 15, 20 minutes.
Yeah.
You know, so stay tuned to if we catch something, y'all be the first ones to know. You know what I'm saying? We're at a new spot, new location. Already. All right, stay tuned. Here we go. Okay, we back to this spot from yesterday too. We back over here, Lake Ray. See the birds out there? They moving around. That's where they at. But we was fishing over there on that little corner trench over there yesterday, and I'm gonna go right back in there. We got some bites and stuff, but we didn't catch nothing yesterday. So we gonna go give it a shot over there again and see if I can put. I'm gonna try a little different technique. If it work out, I'm gonna show you what that technique is. Okay, so yeah, it's a little bit more windy today. It's a little bit more windy. I see some bird activity. It had bird activity yesterday, but we ain't catch nothing. But yeah, but this is where we at. When next time you see me, we gonna be in that spot over there. Already, stay tuned. Okay, too, watch that black rod right there. The one right there is getting them taps. It's getting some little taps. I don't know how big it is, but it's some taps. Let's see if we can get him to stick. If we pop it hard again, I'm gonna go down there. Right there, that's a good little start too. Sorry about the wind. I just had a bite on that worm set up over there too. on that black one over here. We get some hits, baby. We're gonna just stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. We might get something. Back in the water. We got something on. little baby already. Right in the swim. Other three I got right here, we fishing on the bottom with my sinker slide. I showed you how to rig it up in one of my other videos. That orange rod looked like it might be getting a hit, but this is very windy. I'm sorry about the wind today. Already on the black one. The little baby, another little blue.